Today we are going to be discussing a method to solve quadratic equations from the 71st verse of the Lilavati of Bhaskaracharya. So the verse goes as follows. Gunagna mulo nayutasya rashir drishtasya yuktasya gunardhakritya मूलं गुणार्धेन युतं विहीनं वर्गीकृतं प्रष्टुरभीष्टराशिः. So what it means is that suppose x square plus minus bx is given and x square is to be found. Add to the above b square upon 4 and find the square root of the result. Next, subtract or add b upon 2 as the case may be and square the result. This value is x square. Now let us understand this method that Bhaskaracharya has given us with the help of the algebraic proof. So as he says, let us begin with the value of x square plus minus bx. So k is any given value of this equation. So x square plus minus bx is equal to k. The next step he says, add to the above b square upon 4. So let us add b square upon 4 to both sides of the equation. This is what we will get. So we notice that the left hand side of the equation can be rewritten in this format, which is nothing but a square plus minus 2ab plus b square. So we can write that as a plus b the whole square, which in this case is a, which is x plus minus b upon 2 the whole square, and the right hand side remains the same. So now we assume that the right hand side is equal to a perfect square or m square, any perfect square m square. We substitute that, we get x plus minus b upon 2 the whole square is equal to m square. So the next step Bhaskaracharya says is that we have to find the square root of this result. So on taking the square root of the entire equation, we get x plus minus b upon 2 is equal to m. Then we are supposed to subtract or add b upon 2 as the case may be. Now in this case, if we had had x plus b upon 2 is equal to m, we would have subtracted b upon 2 from both sides of the equation in order to eliminate the b upon 2 from the left hand side. But in this case, since we have x plus minus b upon 2, we will simply add minus plus b upon 2 to both sides of the equation to eliminate this plus minus b upon 2. So on adding minus plus b upon 2 to both sides, this is what we get. Now because we add minus plus b upon 2 to the left hand side, this plus minus b upon 2 gets eliminated, and we do the same thing to the right hand side. We get m minus plus b upon 2. So the next step which we are supposed to do is to square the result. So now we have x is equal to m minus plus b upon 2, and on squaring this we get x square is equal to m minus plus b upon 2 the whole square. So he says that this value is x square, which is absolutely correct. We shall be doing more examples on this principle of solving quadratic equations from the Lilavati of Bhaskaracharya in the following videos. Thank you.